All right, so this is your assignment for syntax, and it is due on Sunday, November 3rd before 11:59 p.m. What I want you to do is, if you remember your syntactic ambiguity that we talked about last week, I want you to review that if you haven't reviewed that, and I want you to try to draw the two tree structures that we saw for syntactic ambiguity, because in this assignment, what I want you to do is I want you to draw the tree structure for Dave ran through the tube beside the rodent from the zoo, but I'm going to tell you that this sentence actually has 5 different meanings associated with it. So what I want you to do for this assignment is I want you to give me 5 different tree structures for this one sentence without changing the word order. Dave ran through the tube beside the rodent from the zoo. So identify, label bracket, identify the phrases, identify the categories, identify the rules that you need. I've given you all the rules that you need over here, or all the phrase structure rules that we've seen in the class. And then I've given you the different meanings here, but I don't want you to be sidetracked by that. The sentence that I want you to draw 5 different tree structures is this one, right? But the meaning is only supposed to help you with identifying the different tree structures. And then I want you to provide me with 5 different tree structures, each illustrating a different way that the sentence above can be created by the rules, right? And so don't worry about telling me which tree corresponds to which meaning. These are only meant to help you to arrive at the 5 different tree structures. So if you haven't looked at syntactic ambiguity from last week, review that again. Practice all the tree structures that I want you to draw, right? From the lecture slides, from the videos, from the syntax lab section, from the syntactic ambiguity video, etc., before you do the assignment, right? So remember, for the assignment, you're supposed to draw 5 different syntactic tree structures for this one sentence. Remember, the one that we saw with the ambiguity was the boy saw the man with the telescope, and I told you that there are 2 structures that you can draw with that. This sentence has 5 structures, 5 tree structures. So that is your assignment due November 3rd, Sunday before 11:59 p.m.